How to get your virtual card on Wise app. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, log into your Wise account. Once you are here, you have to click on this card on the left side of your payments. So as you can see, there are total 3 cards. So the first one is scan QR, import QR. The second one is get your physical card, and the last one is, if I click on that, get your eco card. Now once you are here, you first of all start by reading all of these description that these cards are with. So as you can see, spend in 150 plus currencies, start spending instantly, travel with your card, withdraw from ATMs anywhere, get instant notification, auto convert on the go. So if I go to eco, as you can see, new card, same benefits, see your details in app, pay without the plastic, packaged sustainably. So let's say you want to go with your physical card, so simply click on that, get your physical card. So it will give me 3 options. First one is enter your delivery address, set up your PIN, pay for your card, verify your identity. So simply start by entering your delivery address, click on that, enter your delivery address, all of that. Once you are done, you have to enter your PIN, and also make sure that you have a valid national ID or driver license or any kind of verification that you can give Wise to verify your identity. Once you are done, you're gonna get your virtual card. So that's how basically you can get virtual card on Wise app.